let's paste some feedbacks in this section and test our results. So I have taken these feedbacks from a product and I've pasted these 10 feedbacks in this section. After this, I'm going to click on Run Analysis, and you can see that it has classified all the feedbacks under these three headers: positive, negative, and neutral. Let's check the feedbacks. The product exceeded my expectation is positive. I received excellent customer service is positive. The website was easy to use, had no problems is positive. The delivery was on time and the packaging was adequate. Cool. If I go and check negative feedbacks, I found the website difficult. It is a negative. The quality of the product was poor and not worth. It is also negative. I had a negative experience with the customer service. The product was average. It met my expectation but didn't exceed them. All these are negative. Now we have neutral as well. The product arrived damaged and customer service was unhelpful. The delivery was delayed multiple times without any communication. So although this could be a negative review, but it is not about the product, it is about the delivery. Make sure that even AI tools are subject to verification. Since this tool is based on natural language processing, please use and verify the output. If you need a customized tool for your service or product, feel free to contact me in the comment section. I hope you will like this tool. Thank you very much.